Good morning. Today I want to share with you how you can manage a fungal infection or mold growth in your household plants. I will share with you my experience.
Sometimes mold will grow like this white patch, white. Okay, which one? This one. You see the white patch here. This one. Because yesterday was very hot and I didn't on my aircon, so sometimes it may be you have added too much water, but if it's too humid, too hot, they will grow. But don't worry, you can treat it. Spray some baking soda solution with soup, and I will give you the formula, and you can just spray a little bit on the surface and put them under the sun, and for a while usually it will go away.
Baking soda, the scientific name is sodium bicarbonate, is an effective biopesticide. What are biopesticides? They are derived from natural materials such as animals, plants, bacteria, and certain minerals. Another example is canola oil. Canola oil has been registered with US EPA in 1998. And as of April 2016, there are 299 registered biopesticides, active ingredients, and 1,401 active biopesticides products registration. And using baking soda to kill fungal or mold growth is very effective. The year first registered with EPA was 1994. So it has been a while that people are using it. It is generally recognized as safe by the US Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Baking soda is also naturally present in human food. Here are some of the advantages of using baking soda. It is organic. It is a food-grade biopesticide. It's cheap and affordable. It is effective, but the problem is not too serious. It is less toxic than conventional pesticides. The conventional pesticides are chemically synthesized. So using baking soda, it is considered generally safe by FDA, as mentioned before. It decomposes easily and is biodegradable. So it is environmentally friendly. The method of preparation of spray using baking soda is simple. You just need 1 teaspoon of baking soda added into a 1 liter or a quart of water, and you add a few drops of liquid soap and put it in the spray, and that is ready to be used. The soap is a surfactant, and it will help the spray to spread onto the surface of the plants. The common causes of mold growing in indoor plants overwatering, so you can avoid these mold growth problems by watering only when necessary. If you put the plant in a poorly air ventilated place, or you put it in the corner, then the tendency of mold growth is also higher. And since it is grown in the indoor, there is also an issue of lack of sunlight. And mold is especially easy to grow if the weather is hot and humid. But if you doing your watering carefully and put it in a good ventilated place, and for microgreen, for example, even if don't have too much of sunlight, the plants will usually grow quite healthily. These are the common methods of treating mold. And you can physically remove the mold out from the plants or the soil. You can use tissue paper with some water to wipe it off, and then treat the plants with the baking soda spray and put it under the sun. Usually, if the infection is not too serious, then the plants will be all right. If you do not have baking soda right now, you can just try to remove the mold. Yes, using a piece of paper, but do not reuse the same piece of paper all over at different plant area. This is to prevent the spore or the mold that has contaminated the paper, and to spread the spore to other parts of the same plant. So physically remove the mold is also a good method, provided that it is not too serious. And if you keep your planting areas and plants as ventilated and as clean as possible, this also reduces the chance of getting mold infection for both your plants and the soil. Take a look after being put outside for sunshine for a few hours. You can see that the white pages mold are almost gone. Actually, you can see, right? Not much left, right? During COVID-19, if you are stuck at home and you need a chemical or a pesticide to treat your plants that is infected with mold, you may try baking soda, which is a good biopesticide. For me, it is very effective. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe or comment. Thank you.